In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put pay schedule in Zoho People. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The pay schedule settings are managed from the administrative area, so you will want to use an account with the right permissions to update organization-wide settings. First, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps most configuration options, including time, leave, and payroll-related schedules. After you open Settings, look for the Services section. From here, select Leave. In some accounts, you may also manage this through the Time Tracker area, depending on how your Zoho People setup is organized. Either option leads you into the same general place where pay period options are available. Once you are inside the leave or time-related settings, find and click Pay Period. This page is specifically for defining how your pay periods are structured, which is important because it affects how time entries, leave calculations, and processing timelines align across your organization. Next, click Configure Pay Period. This opens the area where you actually set the schedule details. Now select your pay period cycle. This is the pattern your organization follows, such as weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, depending on what options your account provides. Choose the cycle that matches how you run payroll, because this setting helps Zoho People group dates correctly and keep pay periods consistent over time. After that, set your start date and your processing day. The start date is the anchor point for your entire pay schedule, so it should match the beginning of a real pay period that your organization uses. The processing day is typically the day payroll is finalized or prepared, and setting it correctly helps align internal deadlines, approvals, and reporting. Take a moment to double-check both values before you finish, since a small mismatch can shift pay period boundaries and create confusion later. Once those fields are set, review your selections on the screen to confirm everything matches your payroll calendar. That covers everything you need to know.